Have you ever pondered why Python sits atop the throne of the most popular programming languages? Well, the reasons are aplenty, and today we delve into the key characteristics that make Python a crowd favorite and its various applications. Python, a high-level interpreted programming language, has won the hearts of many, from beginner coders to seasoned developers. One of the main reasons is its readability. Python's syntax is clean and easy to understand, minimizing the time spent on deciphering code. It's like reading English, which is a breath of fresh air in the world of brackets and semicolons that define other programming languages. Moreover, Python is a general-purpose language. This means it's versatile and can be used for a myriad of tasks. For instance, it's a go-to language for web development. With frameworks such as Django and Flask, Python simplifies the process of building complex websites. Additionally, Python is a heavyweight champion in the realm of data science and machine learning. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn have made Python an indispensable tool for data analysis. It allows you to manipulate data, run statistical analysis, and implement machine learning algorithms all under one roof. But Python's capabilities don't end there. It's also commonly used for automation and scripting tasks. Python scripts can automate mundane tasks, saving you time and effort. This feature is a godsend for system administrators and anyone who wants to automate repetitive tasks. In the field of software development, Python shines bright as well. It's used in developing desktop applications, web applications, and even games. Its simplicity and power make it a popular choice for many developers. Furthermore, Python's prowess extends to the field of scientific computing. Libraries like SciPy and Matplotlib facilitate scientific computations and data visualization, making Python a favorite among researchers and scientists. Lastly, Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal language for education and teaching. It's often the first language taught in computer science courses, providing a gentle introduction to the world of programming. To sum up, Python's popularity stems from its readability, versatility, and the wide range of applications it offers. From web development to machine learning, automation to software development, scientific computing to education, Python is a jack of all trades. Its high-level syntax, resembling natural language, makes it easier to learn and understand, thus making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. So the next time you find yourself wondering about the popularity of Python, remember its key characteristics and the diverse applications it caters to. It's no wonder Python continues to reign supreme in the world of programming languages.